How would you like to take one of your existing long-form videos on YouTube and repurpose it into multiple shorts clips in just one click? Wouldn't that be awesome? For example, I repurposed this 12-minute video into 5 shorts clips within one click using Repurpose Studio from Capwing. Each shorts video received its own viral title, was automatically transcribed, and also included captions on the video. You can also edit or resize each shorts video to repurpose it for multiple social media sites. Let me show you how Repurpose Studio works. Go to capwing.com and create a free account. I'll place a link to Capwing in the description below this video. If you hover over tools, you can see all the tools that Capwing has. Video editor, convert videos, PNG maker, subtitle maker, resize videos, repurpose videos, and click on repurpose video. It says repurpose videos with AI to magically turn one video into social ready clips. The Repurpose Studio finds the best moments in one video and turns them into short clips with engaging visuals and subtitles ready for you to edit and publish. Click on repurpose my video. If you're already logged in, click on repurpose video under my workspace. You can upload a video file or drag and drop a file in here, or you can take the YouTube URL and paste it in here. If you're enjoying the content so far, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified about future tips from my YouTube channel. Here's the video link to my long form video, so I'm just going to copy that video link, paste it in the box. Now it's uploading the video. Is upload complete. Click generate clips. And here are all the shorts clips that were generated from Repurpose Studio with different titles. Each shorts clip has a different title, video transcript, subtitles, and captions. Over here it says edit your suggested clips. Not completely satisfied with this clip? Turn it into a project to edit the transcript, add custom subtitle styles, and refine it for socials. So I'm going to select this shorts clip, outranking the competition, research, and high retention videos. Click Edit as Project. Here's the transcript of my video. If I click on subtitles, it shows all the subtitles for my video. If I play the video, I'll be able to see the captions on the video. I can add text. I can add images, elements. I can adjust the audio. If I click on the video itself, over here I can trim it, crop, filter, adjust the volume. I can also resize the canvas. If I click resize, I can resize it to 16:9, 9:16 for TikTok or for shorts. I can also fit the center, fill and crop, or do speaker focus. If you're happy with the video, just click Export Project. Click Export as MP4. Now it's processing the video. Here's a shorts video that's been created, ready to upload to YouTube. What can you create with Repurpose Studio? You can create multiple shorts from a long form video, as I just showed you previously. Just keep in mind that Repurpose Studio works best with long form videos that are 10 minutes or longer. Otherwise, you'll get this error message. You can use your shorts videos as trailers from your long form videos by linking to the long form content at the end of your shorts video. Watch this video to learn how to link your shorts directly to your long form video using related links. Convert your podcasts or live streams into short attention grabbing clips that can be used for TikTok, Instagram, and other social media sites to expose your content to a different audience. Here are the main benefits of using Repurpose Studio. Turn long form videos into shorts with just one click, saving you a ton of time. Automatically selects and resizes video clips for shorts and social media sites. Automatically centers speakers so they stay on the screen regardless of format or dimensions. Refine and customize your video clips in a full-featured online video editor. If you want to know how to speed up your video production by working less and earning more, watch a video on the screen right now on 10 incredible ways to use AI on YouTube. You'll be glad you did.